Geometry, Chapter 1, Section 5, Triangles. So the first concept is a triangle. A triangle is a polygon with only 3 sides. A triangle is named like all other polygons with the names of the vertices. So this diagram here, we've got this triangle ABC, and you notice we can name it in 3 different ways. Triangle ABC, triangle BAC, or triangle ACB. You only got 3 vertices, and you can name it in any order you want. A triangle can be defined by its angles. So a triangle is defined by the types of angles it has. If no angle is greater than 90 degrees, then it's acute. If one angle is greater than 90 degrees, then it's obtuse. If one angle is equal to 90 degrees, then it's a right. So this one is acute. This is a right triangle. And this one is obtuse. We also can define triangles by their sides. A triangle can be defined by the sides it has. If no side of a triangle is congruent, it's called scalene. If 2 sides are congruent, it's called isosceles. If all the sides are congruent, it is equilateral. Now, if you remember, an equilateral triangle is also equiangular. So this one, no sides are congruent, so it's scalene. 2 sides are congruent, so this is isosceles. And this one, all 3 sides are congruent. This one is equilateral. Again, also equiangular. An isosceles triangle, let's go into a little more depth of these. An angle between the 2 congruent sides is called the vertex. This is the vertex. The other angles are called the base angles. The non-congruent side is also called the base. Now, one thing to note about the base angles is they are congruent. The sum of the interior angles. The sum of the interior angles added together is 180 degrees. So I got angle X, angle Z, and angle Y here. Those added together equal 180 degrees. Doesn't matter what the triangle looks like, it will always add up to 180 degrees. So let's look at a little bit of algebra review for this section. Really looking at also tying it into the concepts of triangles. So here we've got angle A is 40 degrees, angle B is 25 plus 2x, and angle C is 63 minus x. What's the measure of angles B and C? So we know that all 3 angles add up to 180. So I'm just going to do 40 plus 25 plus 2x plus 63 minus x equals 180. Now let's combine our terms. 2x minus x, that's x. 40 plus 25 plus 63, that's plus 128. So that equals 180. Subtract 128 from both sides. We get x is 52. But we're not done. We have to then plug this back in to both of our angles, angle B and angle C. So 25 plus 2x, so that's 25 plus 2 times 52. So we get angle B equals 129. Angle C, 63 minus 52. Angle C is 11 degrees. So the measure of angle B and the measure of angle A. Now, if we want to double check our work, we can confirm that 129 plus 11 plus 40 does, in fact, equal 180. So we are set. Now let's look at this one. We were given this triangle, and we also notice here we've got a linear pair. Remember, linear pair adds up to 180. So to find this angle, 180 minus 73 gives us 107. So I'm looking for angle D. So we've got, now we got to remember what would all these angles add up to. They add up to 180. So x plus 107 plus 34 equals 180. And so we would get x is 39 degrees. Now, something interesting you might have noticed about this angle was 39 degrees. This angle is 34. Well, 39 plus 34 equals 73. Well, that's what that angle is. This angle plus this angle gave us that exterior angle. That will always be true for any triangle. That's the end of this lesson.